Basic Science of Standard 5, Part 1, Lesson 1, Know the plant world closely. This activity 3, Short answer questions. First question, explain photosynthesis. Preparation of food by leaves of plants is termed as photosynthesis. Factors essential for photosynthesis are sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and water. Plants absorb water and minerals through their roots. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is absorbed through stomata on the leaves. Product of photosynthesis is glucose and oxygen. Glucose is later converted to starch. Since plants can prepare their own food, they are called as autotrophs. Question number 2. What are stomata? Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. This gaseous exchange takes place through small pores in the leaves. These pores are called stomata. They also release water from plants to the atmosphere. Write on pigments present in plants. Pigments give color to stem, leaves, fruits and flowers. Chlorophyll is green in color, xanthophyll is yellow, carotene is yellowish orange, and anthocyanin is a red colored pigment. Question number 4. What are epiphytes? Give examples. Epiphytes are plants which depend on other plants only for shelter. They can absorb moisture from atmosphere and can live without soil. Examples are vanda, orchids. Question number 5. Write short notes on parasitic plants. Plants absorb water and minerals from their host plants and prepare their own food with the help of their own leaves. Are called semi-parasites. Example, Loranthus. Some plants absorb food directly from the plants on which they live, host plants. They cannot prepare food by themselves. They are called as total parasites. Example, Cuscuta. Both semi-parasites and total parasites are harmful to their host plants. Next question, what are saprophytes? Some plants grow absorbing nutrients from the decomposed matter. Such plants are called as saprophytes. Examples, Monotropa, Neotia, mushroom. What is the difference between climbers and creepers in plants? Climbers are weak-stemmed plants. They climb on other plants with the support of spring-like parts called as tendrils. Some plants have clinging roots for this purpose. Plants like pepper, bittergourd and snake gourd are examples. Weak-stemmed plants that grow creeping on the ground are called creepers. Sweet potato, hydrocotyle, strawberry, etc. are examples. These plants do not possess tendrils or clinging roots. Next question, what are pneumatophores? Mangroves are special kinds of plants growing in marshy areas. The tip of their roots grow towards the atmosphere. These roots that help in gaseous exchange are called pneumatophores. Next question, write short notes on tubers. Tapioca stores food in roots. Roots that store food in this way are called storage roots. All tubers are not storage roots. Potato is a modified stem. Such stems seen below the soil are underground stems. Thank you.